Have you ever wondered how a simple tool from Toyota became one of the most powerful methods in modern process improvement? Today, we are uncovering the surprising origins and evolution of value stream mapping and why it still matters today. Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your go-to place for mastering Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques. In this video, we will explore the history of value stream mapping, VSM, where it came from, how it was used in Toyota, and how it has transformed over the years to shape industries worldwide. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. The roots of value stream mapping go back to Toyota's production system, TPS, in post-war Japan. Toyota engineers were deeply focused on eliminating waste and improving efficiency. One of their core techniques was visualizing the entire process, not just individual steps. This approach gave birth to what they called material and information flow mapping. It helped teams at Toyota to see how value moved and where it got stuck. This visual thinking was part of a broader philosophy that prioritized flow, quality, and customer value. Although not formally named VSM back then, the concept was already in practice. Now let's understand the formalization and Western adoption. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, Western researchers and consultants began studying Toyota's success. The concept of VSM was popularized by Mike Rother and John Shook in their book Learning to See, published in 1998. They adapted Toyota's flow mapping technique into a structured method. This included symbols, metrics, and step-by-step guidelines for mapping processes. Businesses around the world began using VSM to visualize how work moved through their systems. It became a cornerstone of lean transformation efforts across industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, logistics, and even software. Now we'll explore the modern-day usage. Today, value stream mapping is a key tool in Lean Six Sigma projects. It supports DMAC and Kaizen initiatives. Organizations use VSM to expose inefficiencies, measure process times, and prioritize improvement actions. Digital tools now allow real-time data integration into VSM, making it more dynamic than ever. From factory floors in Japan to global boardrooms, value stream mapping has stood the test of time. It continues to help teams see clearly, act faster, and improve smarter. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.